Hey traders, happy weekend. Now this is just going to be a quick wrap up of a couple of tickets that I was monitoring last night. Again, I got in and I wanted to make this video, but I just got to bed and I was like, wow. So, but I'm working later today and then tomorrow. Then I have 5 days off, so I'm really going to be able to nail down the watch list earlier in the day and then be there for the market open. And maybe market close. I might sleep a little bit from like midnight to 3, wake up, and then alright, so we've got FMSA. Now I spoke about this and there was a resistance at 388 and it cracked through 388 pretty nicely. Let's get the advanced chart up. My girlfriend's watching Netflix. It's the weekend, so it just slows things down. So that's why I don't have the interactive brokers chart up, because it's just too laggy. It's like, this doesn't work. It does, but it's just like literally 30 seconds to change from time frames, and it would be pretty ugly. So we had a bit of a, there was quite a surge of interest. I mean, this especially was quite good. So the low here of 408, this in itself is probably the break, and then there was this. This is probably really what I should have taken. So I was driving at the time last night, so I couldn't. I was watching this as well, but it's faded out a little bit. It's hovering around the 50-day moving average of 417. So how I would play this, 425 there was resistance as well. So I'm in a breakthrough for 388 pretty convincingly, and it was earlier on in the session. So if we can get that again, I will be available for the Monday session. So this is definitely a play worthy of hanging around for. But we'll see. ITUS, they didn't end up bringing out a press release because they had a stakeholder meeting, like an annual stockholder meeting, yesterday. No press release, no real news, no conference calls or whatever. So it's hovering around the 220 level. We've got after hours trading, it got to the 47 is the high. Couldn't really crack through. Again, this was a little bit more erratic, and I didn't like this move as much as FMSA, mainly because of the chart. It just sort of screamed to me a little overextended as well. So there's nothing really else worthy of mentioning. VSLR, solar panel company in Las Vegas, they lost a little bit. MGTI up. Kindred Healthcare. Okay, so this was another one that I was discussing in the watch list, and it just really didn't do anything. Very choppy, low interest, 5-day chart. And it's downtrending. Look, this is why I didn't focus on this as much. FMSA had the move, ITUS had the move as well. Had a potential catalyst, but didn't really seem to affect things too much. It wasn't broadcast here on MarketWatch, so I will be getting stocks to trade shortly as well. Hopefully next month is my goal. So again, these two worth watching. There was not really much else to discuss. Homey recipes, no real bounce. That's it, guys. I'll wrap it up. Have a great weekend, and stay tuned. I'll probably put out a couple of more videos later on in the evening tonight. Bye for now.